our swinging cafe doors. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 35 inches. And a height, we have 39 3/4 inches tall. And a depth of 1.5 inches. Coming to the back of the cafe door will be your barrel bolt. Located to the right will be a tab for your top hinge. Coming to the top and bottom right will be a tab, along with an insert or slot for your hinge. So coming to your right will be where the door will be installed and where we'll have the door swing. Included with your cafe door will be screws, along with hardware and rotating shafts to install your cafe door. The measurements for the smaller corner brace or rotating shaft, we have 2.25 inches in length by 3 inches in height. 4-hole inserts for your screws, and the measurements for the second bracket or rotating shaft, we have 1.75 inches in length by 4 inches in height. There will also be 4 slots or inserts for your screws. All these will be included with your purchase for one single or a double cafe door. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.